Kirkale being very conscious of an eco-tourism based industry, part of the brief was regards to a tourism based theme park where they're bringing outback Australia, but with a mix of rainforest. They do displays and shows, as well as birds, animals and everything else. The energy requirements with that is quite substantial, and we're trying to provide as much as we can to offset their load and provide them a more cleaner, stable supply. Where the panels installation are installed on top of the ATV shed. Part of their tourism, they do trail rides with ATVs throughout the property. It's 697 hectares all up, so it's quite a substantial property. And the batteries and inverters are mounted with some air conditioning in the tack room. It does dual benefits. They wanted all their leather and so forth kept in a cool, dry, non-humid space, otherwise go all mouldy, and that's where they keep their batteries inverter. So the total output, 50 kilowatts of panels, or just under 48 kilowatts, with 20 kilowatts of inverter generation, with 80 kilowatt hours battery storage. They wanted high quality panels and insulation, as well as being that we're locally based and they'd heard through other developers of some of the work that we've done. Yeah, they're very happy with the result. I was quite involved with the process with other engineers that was involved in the development to help with the brief, and they were happy with what our solution came up with.